good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're listening to me. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to design simple graphics and make so much money from it. So like I always say, the first app we are going to be using is the Canva app. And let's find the Canva app. So one thing graphics design does is that it opens door for you. You can help you can when you have good graphics, people take you as a big deal. So let's just see. Maybe you have a training now that you want to organize. You have a WhatsApp class that you want to hold. How do you design it without paying a graphics designer? That is what we want to do right now. So let's just go. Now, one of the things I like doing is to work with templates. Many people just want to start designing from scratch, and there's no problem with that, but for me, and I like easy things, so I work with templates. So what I just do is to go down instead of going to create, which is this down here, to start creating new from my head. All I just do is I'm picking probably what I want to create. I just go down to Instagram post or your story. You'll see the kind of you'll see what you what you'll see what you're going to see the kind of post you want, like the kind of template you want. So what I just do is to pick, maybe I'll just pick Instagram post. I'll just see all. Okay, this Instagram story, I don't want to post Instagram story. I want to create just a Instagram normal post. Now why I'm choosing Instagram normal post is not because of Instagram post, it's because of it has the 1.1 1:1 ratio, the ratio 1 to 1 ratio. So you can see different templates here. Your job is to just pick the one that you like and edit. Pick the one you like. I'm using the Canva, normal Canva, not the Pro, but it is not limited. So let me pick this one, since this is very, very easy for me. I just pick this design and let us just design something immediately. Now let's design something. So the first thing you see here is this is a plate. It has already been structured. Your job is just to change one or two things, the color and maybe the stuff. So I'm going to change this picture first. I'm going to replace it with either you come to upload. Now upload means what you have already uploaded before. So what I want to do right now is to just fix in one of my pictures. Good. So you can see it is not aligned. So what I do is double tap it. It comes like this and you just align it. So that is one. The second thing I need to do is to change the name. Maybe I want to have graphics design workshop, graphics workshop. Good. I'll just leave it like this. Then the next thing is to change the logo. Now if you don't have a logo, you can simply just delete this. You must not have a logo. You can't delete this, but if you have one, let me see if you have one. I'll go to my upload and check if I have. Okay, I have one. So let me just upload my logo. So now it is big. You can just resize it. That logo was just a template to tell us that if you put logo there, it's going to be fine. So this is me just putting a logo here, and you can see when you're using Canva, you can see the alignment. It's telling you how to align. So you can see like this now is the best alignment. So now graphics workshop. So what is going to be our copy here? Can now type how to design graphics like for social media like a pro. You understand? So when somebody sees it, that person will be piqued. So what's the date of the class, the date of the task? You're going to edit it. You're just going to click here. You've already done everything for you. Your job is just to edit. And maybe you want to edit it. You want to just put maybe instead of June, we want to put October. We just type October and we just type maybe 2023. Now if you don't want it to come down, you can just simply go here, click here, and maybe just resize it and bring it. Okay, what did I do there now? So if you find out you're making a mistake, you can just reset it back. So Okay, you can still go deep inside and just do what you want to do. You can see what I wanted to do was just to make it in one line. So I already achieved that. So I just drag it back to where it was, right? Good. So instead of 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. or whatever, I can now put my own stuff. I can say from 7 p.m., which I like putting my trainings, to maybe 9 p.m. So it's just all about editing templates. Now your get started can be, instead of you saying get started, you can come here and just click the link and just type click the link, click the link, and you can just leave it like that. Then instead of this link that is here, you can now come and just change everything, change the narrative of everything. You can say Boss Uzi or www. Skill to riches, skill2riches.com. You can now put your number, my number 09031836907. So this is just it. And instead of you the speaker being the Aaron guy, you're going to put your name Uzoma or Ranibo. And guys, this is just what we've done like this. Now another thing is we've already succeeded in just doing editing. Now let us focus on color. How do we focus on color? We can just click the whole thing. You can change the color. Instead of making it white, you can make it some orange in color. You can still make it white. You can also go and customize your color. How do you want your color to be? You understand? But me, basically anything about me is that I love white so much, so I just put it in white. So I can change other things but not the white. So I'm going to start changing maybe the buttons. Let me use orange. No, let's use another color because let me use this so light color because it's different from what so I just come here and click. I don't need to still find the color. It is already there. Once you've chosen it once, it just stays there. So I just come and click again, and instead of putting this, I just come and you also need to change this one. So I just come and click. So this one too, I just come and click, and everything is now this color. Now maybe I don't want to use, maybe I'll change it to this and this. Now there's also a graphics intelligence. If you can use the first one blue, then the second one orange, you can see how fine it is. So you can leave the other ones black and all. These are just graphics intelligence. Now you can also change that stroke. We can change it from that color to, maybe we can just change it to something deeper, maybe green, dark green. No, dark green may not just flow with this, but so you just change it to maybe purple. No, purple may not flow with it. Then what should we change it to? Okay, let's go with the brown. Now to find brown, we need to go over to almost orange. So just trying to find the brown that matches with my background. So I think this one is not bad. Just pick this one, then you can start changing this one. So brown, you can see now they are now aligning. You can see how good it is. Now if the back one is not aligning, you can also change it to maybe something more better. You can also change it to the orange it has been before. Go back. You can also change it to the orange it has been before, and I think that is what I'll do just for so see how it is now. It's fine. So everything is all about testing out what is fine and what is good. So I already have the that color, so I just change everything back, and you can see how fine it is. Now instead of using this, then I just change it to back to, what color should I change? I can change it back to the brown, or I can also change it to the color of the other color. So you can see how fine it is. So graphics intelligence is very, very important, knowing how to align your colors and thoughts well. So when you're done with this, you can now save your graphics like this. To save your graphics, all you need to do is to come to this place, is to come to the top left corner, that is this place, and just click on it. When you click on it, you see download. You download it, and you're going to see a host of menu options: JPG, PDF, best prints, MP4. Always, if you want to save a picture, go to PNG and click on PNG and click on download. So click on download, and before you know it, it's already downloaded. And you go to your browser, or you go to your gallery, and you just find it there. See how beautiful it is looking. You get all, it is quality. So you can even collect money for just doing simple designs. Now that is how you also do for other things. Maybe you want to create an Instagram design or whatever. This is the same thing you do. So why is it not loading again? So I hope this makes sense to you. This is the app called Canva, and it is the app I use to, sorry about this, it is the app I use to design most of my stuffs, like exactly like this one. Three copywriting tips for beginners. I designed all this with Canva. You can see how beautiful. Even the logo, I designed my logo with Canva. Then you can also see another thing. This I designed with Canva. I use them for my page. This I designed with Canva. You can see how with them this I also designed with Canva. I also designed this with Canva, and a host of many other things on my page that I designed with Canva. So guys, start using Canva to create content for social media and build authority for yourself. Where is the app again? Canva, saving lives. Have a lovely day and see you in the next class.